Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Katz Index. So what is a Katz Index? For the elderly, disabled, or those with chronic illnesses, it can be challenging to live independently. The Katz Index of Independence in Activities of Daily Living is a tool that assesses the level of independence an individual has when undertaking activities of daily living, or ADLs. ADLs are daily activities necessary for self-care, and this index measures 6, including bathing, dressing, toileting, transferring or moving from one place to another, continence, which is maintaining control of bladder and bowel movements, as well as feeding. Each activity is scored from 0 independence to 1 dependence. Healthcare professionals use this index to evaluate a patient's ability to perform routine activities and make appropriate recommendations for their care. Other assessment tools that healthcare professionals can use are the Bartell Index and the Modified Bartell Index. The index can be used by nurses, doctors, home care providers, and more. How to use a Katz Index. The first step is to fill in essential patient information and rate each activity according to the Independence scale. You'll then need to tally all the scores at the bottom. Add additional notes once interpreting the scores. To access a sample assessment of the Katz Index, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can access the sheet for free. You can also access the index scale under our platform within the community section, filter by assessment, and by typing in the keyword Katz to find the relevant note.